Okay, so Miss Bianca, alam na nga natin na this is the 20th year ng PBB milestone year. So what will be the major differences in this season compared po sa last one at sa mga dati pang naging seasons ng PBB?
Yes, the one major difference obviously is that this is the first time in history na ang Pinoy Big Brother will air on GMA. So yun palang napakalaking bagay na honestly, as everyone here is so excited, but honestly, I would say 50% excited, pero ako 50% nervous. Nervous because it's an entirely different audience. Paano kami tatanggapin ng mga kapuso, loyal fans? Will they like the format? Diba? Will they like our storytelling? That's why we super appreciate that Gabby and Mavi are joining us for this season. Kasi sa kanila mas pamilyar, diba? Ang mga loyal Kapuso fans. But of course, aside from that, exciting yung Celebrity Collab Edition because for the first time also, in the past Celebrity Editions, we've had a mix of celebrities na iba't ibang industriya. Meron tayong sports, meron tayong social media, but for the first time, puro artista. And it's all artists, again, from Star Magic and Sparkle. And actually, the last time we did a full celebrity edition was 2007 pa. Sa Celebrity Edition 2, big winner si Ruben Gonzaga. That was the edition right before Robbie was a housemate on Teen Edition 2. So ganun nakatagal. The other Celebrity Editions kasi may kasama ng regular housemates or teens or parang naka-gitna in a longer edition. So this time, we're doing once again a standalone Celebrity Edition. So super, super exciting.
Miss B, can you please refresh our memories? Celebrity Edition nga rin po ba yun? Kasi Kaloy, yung mga hosts natin sa BBB, halos lahat sila talagang pumasok sa bahay ni Kuya.
I was about to say.
Naging housemate din talaga. So, can you please refresh our memories po kung anong season kayo? And since yung nga Celebrity Edition po ngayon, ano yung mga pwede naming abangan dito sa Celebrity Edition na collab?
Yan. Okay, so kung refresh ako po, I was part of the OG Celebrity Edition, Season 1 in 2006. Grabe, si Kiana Reeves ang aming big winner noong panahon na yon. Alexa was part of Community, Season 10. Is that correct? Si Robbie, Teen Edition 2. Si Mele, of course, ang big winner ng PBB Season 3. Yan.
Si Robbie, sa season, di ba, ikaw yung 1988?
Ano?
1988.
Napakasakit.
2008.
Oh.
2008.
So yeah, like I said, nakakatuwa kasi nga, again, this is the first time na it's all actors, all artistas. And siguro at isipin ng tao, parang masyado namang pare-pareho kung puro artista. Pero ako, I got the privilege of sitting in sa final casting ng mga Sparkle and Star Magic artists. And I say na, for me, sobrang interesting na season kasi ang dali-dali nating lahat mag-judge, di ba? We see a certain celebrity, oh, dali naman yan sumikat, or di naman yan talented, or bakit ba yan nandyan? But then when you get to know their stories, grabe din yung pagkakaiba ng pinagdaanan ng bawat isa. And we really cannot judge a celebrity sa kung ano lang yung nakikita natin or napapakita nila sa social media. So they may all have vlogs or be on social media, have Instagram, Facebook, pero iba pa rin pag makita mo sila in a house 24/7, galawang tao. So tao din sila with such colorful stories.
So exciting. Thank you very much, Miss B. Now, Gabby and Mavi, since nga nabanggitan natin, yung mga hosts, usually nagiging housemates.
Or ng initiation ay they have to experience it themselves.
So, kung ako sila, kakabahan ako kung ako sila. So, anong feelings ngayon now that, you know, you just heard that? Meron bang konting kapraningan na, wait, baka ikulong ako sa bahay ni Kuya?
Ay, kinakabahan. Pero but kidding aside, I'm also familiar with the tradition na yung mga hosts nga pinapasok sa bahay ni Kuya. So, ako, follower lang ako sa task ni Kuya. Ngayon, ang task ni Kuya sa akin mag-host. Mag-host po ako. Hindi ko lang po alam yung following task. So, Kuya, ikaw na pong bahala sa akin.
Yung nalaman mo yan sa
Takdang Panahon.
How about you, Mavi?
Ako naman, kami ni Gary been asking so much questions din backstage eh. And siguro sasabihin ko na naka-ready na yung luggage ko eh. Naka-ready na yung bag ko eh.
Sigurado ka dyan,
Willing
Boy
po,
Scout.
willing.
Ready na. Naantay ko lang yung boses ni Kuya na, Mavi, papasok ka na yung bahay ni Kuya. Ngayon pa lang. Joke lang. Pero yeah, I'm excited. Pero at the same time, nakakaba din. Pero they say naman, parang retreat lang. So, that's what they say. Parang retreat lang. So, I look forward to that, retreat.
Huwag ka papabudol, Mavi.
That's what they say. Again, that's what they say.
May quote si Melay para dyan eh.
Be careful what you wish.
Ayun, oo. Anong pagbabanta?
Practice ready,
Quanti.
save, Mavi.
Oh,
That's right.
To be fair, parang game naman po silang pareho. Palaban ang ating mga bagong hosts ng
They
PBB.
should be, of course. And I guess, before anything else, I mean, sila ay mag-e-enjoy naman kapag pasok nila doon, di ba? Well, moving forward, para naman to again kay Gabby, na isa sa mga bagong bahagi this season. What are your hosting tasks so far? And paano ka nagpe-prepare for this?
My hosting tasks for PBB, I'll be part of the PBB updates. That's every day, Mondays to Fridays. We have 3 minutes ng umaga at ng hapon. I'm also gonna be part of some of the prime time from Mondays to Fridays. Also the weekend shows, I'll also be part of that. So super exciting. Mabigat na task, but I'm very game. And I'm looking forward to learn from my co-hosts. And how do I prepare? I've been watching the past season so far, oo. Pinag-aaralan ko din siya. Ang dami ding mga nagtatag sa akin on TikTok, yung mga hostings nila Ate Bianca, nila Robbie. And of course,
Sabi ko, wow, hindi ko kasama.
hindi, teka lang. Siyempre, yung pinaka-masterclass ko, from the big winner of all the big winners.
Char lang, sabi nilulungkot ko lang dito.
And syempre, di ba, kailangan natin ng touch of Gen Z from Alexa. Ayun. So, got you. Oo. And I'm a student of Tito Boy, so I've been talking to him constantly. Actually, we had a phone call the other night. He's been telling me to go to him na so we can study the materials. And he also told me na, Bianca is also my student, so if you have anything, you have any problems, or you have any questions, I can go to her daw. So, Ate Bianca, alam mo na,
I got you.
Mangungulit ako sa'yo. Ayun.
We'll learn from the best ika nga, no?
Yes.
Well, speaking of, kukulitin mo in the future si Miss Bianca, have you had any chance na makapag-sit in with one of them, one-on-one, getting tips and yung mga ways on how to host for PBB? For the Kapamilya host?
Well, actually, every time we see each other, I always ask tons of questions. Kung paano ba sila, kung paano yung kalakaran, I always ask, how's the schedule? Kalakaran talaga. So how do you guys do it? Do you have any tips for me? And they've been very generous with all the information, all the knowledge, and they've been really good friends. So I'm excited to learn more.
Exciting for everybody.
Oh, we can't wait to see you also sa PBB very soon, Gabby. Okay, and now, dito naman tayo sa Palaban. Palaban na Robbie Domingo. Oh.
The NBI boy.
Context daw, oo.
Oh, talagang ako, sinabi ko lang Palaban. Si Ma'am Shimels ang
Bigyan
direct
ng
to the point.
context, oo.
Oo, direct to the point. Pero, Robbie, yun na nga, no? Medyo connected doon yung tanong ko sa'yo tungkol sa social media, virality. Kasi last season, nakita talaga natin yon. We saw how TikTok and online clips played a huge role in the show's popularity with so many moments going viral, di ba? Kinukuha ng mga fans yung mga clips, tapos
Screen
go
grabbing.
viral. Parang ang dami tuloy naging involved at talagang invested lalo sa kwento ng mga housemates. So this season ba, do you think this season's housemates will be more conscious of that? Or do you think they will let their natural selves shine despite the online pressure? Parang ano sa tingin mo yung magiging challenge nito?
I think pag sinabing celebrity, ano na agad eh, ingrained na sa kanya yung defense systems, yung mechanism na you have to be prepared, especially when you go online, di ba? Daming mga unnecessary comments, mga trolls. So, ang celebrity, especially last season, I'm sure ngayon sa comment section, hinahanap nila, nasan si Fiang? Sigurado ako, nasan si Fiang?
Sino po ba makakasagot niyan?
Oo.
Everyone is looking for her.
Nag-rehearse kanina, nakita namin.
Yes.
For a different program naman. Pero, yun, being viral is a good thing, pero may mga repercussions din siya. Siyempre, ano yung repercussions?
Ewan ko sa'yo, ikaw sabi dyan eh.
may mga effects siya. So, last season yung first na
first stern warning?
Yes. Actually, every week nagpapaalala kami na be kind sa social media. Kasi grabe na yung mga threats talaga na nare-receive ng mga housemates. And their families are involved as well. Kaya grabe kami sa pag-prepare ng mga sarili namin. I'm sure for this season, especially celebrities, handa sila. But at the same time, yung mga celebrities, gumagawa ng social media para ipakita yung kakaibang side nila. Diba? Na marunong din ako magluto. Ito rin yung mga hobbies ko. Tao rin ako. Tulad ng sinabi ni Ate Bianca, at the end of the day, celebrities are people as well, just like you and me. Just like everyone else. Kaya makikita nila yung different side of all the celebrities from Sparkle and from Star Magic na papasok sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya.
Very well said. Thank you, Mayor Robbie.
Thank you, candidate number 2.
Well, ang main takeaway dyan is really be kinder on social media especially. Diba?
Nahanap ko na nga yung NBI.
Oh!
Tinawagan ka na ba?
Hindi ako yung kinukuan mo.
Sana may follow-up na pala.
Wala dong.
Pero reminders din ito kay Mavi and kay Gabi because pati mga host din, pinipressure din ng mga mga
Thank you,
basher.
Gabi, for that reminder.
Yes, be ready lang kayo. Kasi talagang grabe talaga sila. Magpapa-NBI na rin kayo.
Kinuha ko na nga yung contact kay Robby.
Okay, Robby, para talaga.
Talaga, kwento ko talaga na totoong buhay.
Mainit
We
ba?
see that,
Bakit may
oh.
electric fan sila?
Right here sa stage.
Hindi naman kasi tahimik dito, para naman tayo mag-isa.
Pero with that, Monty Melay, the next question is for you. Ito, meron ka ba dyang masashare na update sa mga new celebrity housemates ni Kuya this season? And also, ano yung criteria sa pagpili sa kanila? Oo, ano yun?
Actually, ang criteria for judging is talagang grabe. Talagang this season, grabe talaga ang mga percentage. Kasi syempre, kapuso at kapamilya pinag-isto. Grabe ang pressure ng ating mga celebrity. Ngayon, marami na akong nalaman ngayon eh. Ano, sasabihin ko na?
Ay, hindi pwede.
Para mawala
That
ako
is for another.
mawala ako sa opening ng buwan.
Sa tatlong panahon daw po.
Okay. Basta meron akong nalaman. Ay, parang may mga... God! Pwede bang sabihin? Sige. May mga siyempre celebrity to, di ba? May mga vlogger. Okay. Ay, mga marites dyan, nakaready na talaga ako. Okay, parang ako ang may mali dito, ha? May vlogger, may mga gumagawa ng teleserye ngayon. Oo, celebrity pala sila, no? Basta ito lang ang masasabi ko, gumagala pa rin sa kayo, mag-ingat kayo. Hindi.
Virus pala?
Hindi, kasi after this, ilang days na lang, iko-quarantine na sila. Kung baga, ikukulong na sila sa hotel.
In preparation.
Sa hotel arrest na muna sila in preparation para magkaroon sila ng mood na papasok talaga sila sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. And the criteria is syempre, yung talagang maraming series of tests. May test sa DepEd. May test sa test 20. May test sila na ginawa sa medical test. May medical test para sure talaga na hindi ka magkakasakit sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. Kaya sayang ba yung pagpasok mo? And may psychological test. Kasi ako may muntik akong kumanda. So, hindi. So, yun lang talaga. Magpasyo na lang muna ako. So, yun naman ang awan. And talagang na-surprise na yun ng lahat. Ngayon, waiting na lang sila for their hotel arrest.
Tama naman.
Yung may naiintindihan kayo?
Ito nga, habang nagsasalita si Ma'am Shimels, bumulong sa akin si Kuloy, hindi ko sure kung seryoso pa siya. Kaloy, seryoso lagi si Ma'am Shimels.
Sabi ko, filter ko ba dapat yung sagot niya kung ano yung pipick up ko doon? But yeah. Very well said, Conti Melay. Pero may follow-up question pa ako regarding that. So, you've known some of our celebrity housemates dito sa season na to. Kamusta yung mga dynamics ng personalities nila? Do you think they will jive together? Or mas in the first week pa lang magkaka-clash na?
For that question, Kaloy can have 1-5.
Alam mo, by the way,
Seryoso yun.
by the way to the media and everyone here, this is the second time I've heard 1-5 today. After stepping foot inside the Kapamilya boundaries. Narinig ko siya 1-5 kanina sa dressing room and then now hear from
I'm
you.
very sorry. So,
Sinabi ko si Stefano.
Gibit kasi kami pareho.
Panggas lang. Hindi, the correct, ano ba yun? The dynamics? Siguro, ano ba yung tanong na yun?
Kamusta ba yung Will
Hindi,
they
sa
jam?
loob talaga ng bahay ni Kuya, marami talagang pinipili si Kuya ng mga different kinds of people. Basta people, ha? Hindi talaga tayo pwedeng magawa dyan. So, meron tayong mga seryoso, meron tayong mga parang maloko, kagaya ko, and meron din tayong mga sa studios, kagaya ni Robby D. So, studios?
Kasi nga stud siya. Above siya yun.
So, lahat ng yan, imimix yan ni Kuya para magkaroon tayo ng magandang istorya ng buhay sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya.
That's what we want. Colorful stories from different housemates at saka talaga yung diversity inside the house.
English eh, Kaloy naman.
Pero napapansin mo ba, nasa hosts pa lang tayo, pero willing ka nang panoorin yung buong season kahit
Ano?
sila lang eh.
This has so much story to tell. Sila,
Yeah.
ang colorful, well, beginning with their clothes, and then the stories that they tell now, right in front of us, talaga namang, alam mong magiging colorful and talagang jam-packed itong season na to. Lalo na.
Punong-puno ng character from hosts pa lang, excited na lahat. Yung fact na nag-collab nga ang GMA Network and ABS-CBN Studios. At isa pang inaabangan ng lahat,
What is that,
syempre,
Ai?
yung itsura ng magiging bahay ni Kuya. So ito ay para kay Alexa, ang Gen Z bestie. Okay, so meron ka bang update sa amin tungkol sa bahay ni Kuya? Alam namin every season, di ba, nagbabago ang design ng PBB house. So, bigyan mo naman kami ng description of how the house will look like.
But before you answer, we just like to wish you a happy birthday.
Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. But to answer your question, I actually really like your question kasi ako yung type din ng viewer of PBB na isa sa mga pinaka-inaabangan ko po taon-taon, I mean every season, ay kung ano ang itsura ng bahay. Kasi it's never the same. It's always changing like what you said. So, I personally have not seen it. Hanggang ngayon ay under renovation pa din siya. So, excited din ako kagaya ninyo. But I believe, based sa aking source, aking reliable source, na madaming touch of ABS-CBN and of course ng GMA dun sa itsura ng bahay. So probably with the colors, you'll see the colors of the two networks and magiging isang buong collab yung bahay. And madami ding brands na nagtatap sa atin for this season. They want to be a part of our collab season. Gusto na makipag-collaborate. So, ngayon pa lang po, maraming salamat sa lahat ng brands who want to be part of this collab edition. So, yun pa lang ang masispill ko sa'yo, PJI. Abangan. Excited.
Hindi nakakagulat na ang daming brands that are tapping for collaboration here with us ngayong season kasi talaga namang jam-packed again, and also we are expecting a lot of surprises this season of Pinoy Big Brother.
And since Alexa, yun nga, birthday mo nga, so baka pwede kami makarinig ng birthday wish for you. Na meron ka bang birthday wish ngayon? Lalo na pa-start na ang PBB. And you're also starting a musical. Liwanag sa Dilim, congratulations!
Yeah. Birthday wish for me and for the whole Pinoy Big Brother collab edition. Of course, I wish na maging successful din talaga. Although I'm pretty sure this because it's gonna be it's super duper exciting. And if I had a wish for myself, I guess just to sustain or to receive an overflow of blessings, and not just for me but for the people around me as well. And yes, Liwanag sa Dilim, we start this March 7 na. So I'm excited. Yeah.
Full of blessings.
Good things ahead
March,
of you.
Thank you.
Alexa, March 7, Liwanag sa Dilim, March 9.
And
Pinoy
ito,
Big
blessing ko
Brother.
to.
Yes.
To still be part of this. So I'm very happy. Kuya, thank you po.
Congratulations, Alexa. All right, moving forward, we have Mavi, one of the newest hosts. He'll be one of the hosts of the official online tambayan ni Kuya kasama si Alexa. Can you tell us more about it, kung ano yung nangyayari doon, and what should fans expect from your online tambayan, lalo na about sa mga updates para sa mga housemates natin sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya?
Siyempre, first of all, it's an honor to be an online host together with Architect Alexa. Kasi parang alam niyo yung structure ng bahay ni Kuya na every
Ganun
season
pag-host,
may...
dapat inaaral.
Galing.
Char-char lang.
Bilang architect. Pero syempre, kami ni Alexa, kami nang bahala sa online. Kasi syempre, PBB has so much fans So we want to get the best of both worlds. Yung mga good comments and of course, di maiwasan yung bad comments din. And of course, we just want to give our pointers din to help our housemates and of course, direct a certain attention for the audience, no, for the people watching PBB, and to create an atmosphere, a healthy one. We'll try our best, kami ni Alexa, to create a healthy environment for our housemates, and of course the hosts, and at the same time, yung mga viewers din. So I'm really excited and looking forward to that. Kami ni Alexa, yung sa online gig naman. So that's tuwing mga commercial break, and then we're gonna see the comments, babasahin namin, we're gonna talk about it, kung ano may nangyari sa bahay ni Kuya that week. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it. I'm really looking forward to it.
Keywords dyan,
Grabe yung palakpak ni Melay, oh.
environment,
O, anong sabi ni Mavi?
Sobra akong proud sa'yo, Mami.
Maraming salamat,
Kipit-kipit
ma'am.
lang, Mami.
Maraming salamat, ma'am.
And for sure, with you guys, Gabby and Mavi, joining the PBB season this year, talaga namang mas ma-educate natin mga kapamilya, kapuso viewers natin. Whether it's on TV or sa social media.
Medyo mabigat yung kanilang task kasi
That is
online yan So yun nga, tulad ng sinabi mo, mag-establish kayo ng healthy environment. So good luck sa inyo
Maraming salamat.
sa task na yan.
Commentaries.
Oo, full of commentaries. Tama yun, Robbie. Pero ito namang tanong na ito ay para sa lahat. Yes. So, saan na po ba mapapanood ng mga kapuso at kapamilya natin ang newest season na ito ng PBB?
This is exciting. We want to hear it.
Yes, this is it. Mapapanood niyo po ang lahat ng episodes ng Pinoy Big Brother Celebrity Collab Edition from Monday to Sunday sa Free TV on GMA! Woohoo! Pero of course, bukod dito, madaming nagtatanong sa atin, Robbie, di ba? We are so happy to share na mapapanood din ang Pinoy Big Brother sa Kapamilya Online Live, sa I Want TFC, and of course, sa TFC para sa ating mga supporters abroad.
Alright, there you go. Big announcements from Miss Bianca. Thank you very much, Miss Bianca, Gabby, Robbie, Melay, Alexa, at Mavi sa pagbibigay ng insights at big updates mula kay Kuya. Pero syempre, hindi pa natatapos dyan ang big pasabog ni Big Brother for all of us. Dahil, kumapit kayo guys.
Ito na.
Yes. For this PBB Celebrity Collab Edition, ang kantang Sikat ang Pinoy na nagsilbi bilang theme song ng kauna-unahang Celebrity Edition ng PBB, magkakaroon din ng bagong tunog, bagong version at bagong mga henerasyon ng mga talented artists from both networks na magbibigay buhay sa bahay ni Kuya sa edisyong ito.
But it's a theme song, it's a big collab, mga kapuso at kapamilya. Exciting, di ba? Pero, sino nga kaya sila? Without further ado, here's the pasabog update mula mismo sa dalawang artists na napili ni Kuya. Kaya naman, let's all watch this.